savory flavors. At home today, we are going to make bendakaya or okra masala curry. First time I tasted this curry when my brother prepared it. I liked it very much and I learned this recipe from him. I hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description.
Bendakaya or okra masala curry is a semi-thick curry which is packed with spicy and tangy flavors that will definitely tantalize your taste buds. Bendakaya, which is also known as okra or lady's finger, is a very popular Indian vegetable and everyone's favorite, especially kids. It is low in calories and rich in folic acid and vitamin B6. It has fair amounts of vitamin C, which boosts immunity. It has good amounts of dietary fiber present and hence good for diabetics and weight loss. Let's see the ingredients. Okra 1 kg cut into 1 cm pieces. Before chopping, wash and wipe okras completely and make sure there is no moisture. Tomatoes 2 cups finely chopped. Onions 2.5 cups finely chopped. Chop onions just before cooking. Curry leaves few. Asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Salt 3 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 3 teaspoons. Garam masala 2 teaspoons. Oil 6 tablespoons. Place a pan on stove at medium to high flame. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add asafoetida. Add okra pieces. Stir them once and let them fry. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry till they are slightly soft. Once they are slightly soft, add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix once and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Once okra pieces are fried like this, then switch off stove and keep them aside. Place a pan on stove at medium flame. Finely chop onions. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add curry leaves. Stir once and fry for a minute. Add chopped onions. Mix well and fry onions. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry till onions become transparent. Once onions are transparent, add tomatoes. Mix well. Fry till moisture in tomatoes evaporates. Once moisture evaporates, add 2 teaspoons salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala powder. Mix well. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry till tomatoes become soft. Once tomatoes are soft, then add fried okra pieces. Mix well. Place a lid and reduce the flame to low. Keep stirring at regular intervals. Once oil starts separating, mix once, then switch off stove and place the lid. That's it. Tasty and yummy bendakaya or okra masala curry is ready to eat. Serve it hot with hot steamed rice, roti or paratha.
So, we have seen how easy it is to make bendakaya or okra masala curry at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting The Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.